Have you ever wondered what those fumes coming off a welding job really are? Or how they can affect your health? In this video, we're diving into the world of welding fumes and their impact on our well-being. Whether you're a professional welder or just curious, stick around to learn more about this important topic. What are welding fumes? When metals are heated to high temperatures during welding, they release a mixture of fine particles and gases known as welding fumes. These fumes can contain a variety of metals like manganese, chromium, and nickel, as well as other harmful substances. The composition of these fumes can vary depending on the materials being welded and the specific welding process used. Welding fume is a known carcinogen in humans. Health effects of welding fumes. Exposure to welding fumes can lead to a range of health issues. In the short term, you might experience symptoms like eye irritation, dizziness, and nausea, but the long-term effects can be even more concerning. Chronic exposure to welding fumes has been linked to cancer, respiratory diseases, lung cancer, neurological, and reproductive problems. Safety measures. Fortunately, there are effective ways to protect yourself from welding fumes. Always use personal protective equipment, or PPE, such as masks and respirators designed for welding. Proper ventilation is also crucial. Ensure your workspace has adequate airflow to disperse fumes. Employers should provide appropriate training and equipment to minimize exposure, and as a worker, it's your responsibility to use these tools and follow safety protocols diligently. Understanding the dangers of welding fumes and taking steps to protect yourself can make a big difference in your health and safety. So next time you see those sparks fly, remember safety first. Stay safe and happy welding.